this video.
This story, will tell about your memorable experiences during vacation. Let's check it out. And happy watching.
By the way, how about the vacation when you go?
You know, it was so amazing. I went to my grandparents' house and family.
Really? That was great. What did you do there?
Yeah, in the morning, I cooked a traditional cake with my grandma. Then, my grandpa invited me to fishing at the river near his house.
Wow, such an enjoyable day, right?
Yeah, I was so happy there. What's about you? What do you do during your vacation?
It was terrible. I was sick on vacation, so I just stayed at home.
Oh, sorry to hear that, Randy.
It's okay. Thank you, Tom.
My pleasure, Randy.
Okay. Who knows what the video talks about? Okay. If you don't know what the video talks about, Smith wants to give you the second video. Just a moment.
Hello, guys. My name is Shane. I would like to tell you my story, and the title is My Healthy.
Okay, you can watch the second video.
Hello, guys. My name is Shane. I would like to tell you my story. The title is My Healthy Dog. Let's enjoy the story. When I was 7 years in the household, my friends developed a dog for their photographs. I have been impressed with its abilities during the vacation. First day, it was 7 in the morning. We saw the beautiful sunrise together. It was a great scene. Then, we checked into the hotel after preparing ourselves and to calm down. We went swiftly at the tourist fair. Second day, we enjoyed the hotel and the beach. We ate some water sports such as peanut butter, jet skis, the best ever. We were very happy. In the afternoon, we went to Cuba Beach to see the amazing sunset and enjoy the beautiful lake. The last day, we spent that time in St. John. We enjoyed the beach, shared the forest, and the sandy mountains. Making horse introduction again. After that, we went to 7-Eleven market to shop.
Okay, all students, because you know that we today learn about recount text. So, before we tell you about deep explanations about recount text, please watch this video carefully.
Welcome back to this session. Today, we're going to talk about
about the structures. The structure of the written text is the first is orientation, second is event, and reorientation. So, in orientation, you must to tell about name, time, and place. And in event, you must to tell about the story about the runtutan dari cerita. And the orientation is the closing and ending of your story. Jadi ketika kalian membuat cerita itu harus dari awal hingga akhir itu harus sesuai. Dari yang pertama kan harus bilang nih, contohnya nih, Miss kasih contoh ya. Contoh dari orientation seperti ini. I and my family go to Semarang. Jadi siapa? Saya dan my family. Terus tempatnya di mana? Semarang. And kalian bisa menambahkan I and my family go to Semarang in last month. Oke. Jadi 3 aspek ini sudah terdiri ya. Jadi tidak ketika kalian menceritakan kepada teman kalian mengenai experiences kalian tidak boleh tiba-tiba langsung di ending. Itu tidak termasuk ke the context. And after that in the event. So, my dear students, after you tell about the orientation, you must tell about the runtutan cerita dari event peristiwa yang kalian lalui. Jadi seperti ini. I and my family go to Semarang last month. In Semarang, I and my family go to Lawang Sewu, go to museum, go to mall, go to market, and we are very happy. Oke, jadi setelah kita bilang di awal kita kemana, dengan siapa, kapan, setelah itu kita harus bilang ya anak-anak semua tentang apa yang kita lakukan di Semarang tadi. And after that we must to closing our experiences, our story with closing and ending, and we can tell it like this. So after 1 week, I and my family in Semarang, we are happy and go to our hometown. Okay, so the story is complete. Nah, so in written text, any type of written text. The types of the written text is personal recount, factual recount, historical recount, and literary anecdote. And personal recount is mean that our personal experiences. And factual is like news, and also historical about a story in a past time. Okay, good. And then Herabi anecdote. Anecdote is mean that funny story. Okay, we move to the features, language features. So, in written text, we must remember all students. In the written text is must specific detail. Jadi yang Miss bilang tadi, kalau written text itu harus terdiri dari 3 aspek orientation, event, and reorientation. Okay, and then emotional tone. We can say in menulis ataupun kita ceritakan kepada orang lain, kita harus menggunakan emosi kita sendiri karena itu adalah pengalaman pribadi kita. Nah, first person perspective, that means artinya pandangan dari orang pertama, perspektif orang pertama, kita nih orang pertama. We, I, me, okay? And descriptive language speak. Jadi descriptive language mean that the language is descriptive and can log. And use this the important thing is use past tense. Okay, the purpose of written text. Of course, written text any purpose. So the first purpose is to inform, to entertain, to reflect, to document, to search, experience this. Okay. You must to remember, our students, this is the important thing that you must know about orientation, event, and reorientation. Okay, Miss want to ask you, what is structure of written text? Okay, good, all my students. I think you all understand about my explanation.
tanda dari cuknya.
Okay, we want to play the game. Who wants to play the game? Me. Okay. First, we want to ice breaking. Jadi, kalian Miss minta untuk berdiri. Stand up, please. Jadi, buat di kanan, boleh.
Use of sensory device.
Use of sensory device. Clear structure. No. Chronological order. No. No.
First person perspective.
No.
Clear structure.
Clear structure.
Books.
Where? The arrange even. Under Writing technique. Jadi cara buat teknik membuat recount text apa aja?
Daisy books.
Yes.
Clear structure.
Clear structure. Yes. No. Chronological order. Personal recount. No.
Vivid imagery.
Yes.
Use of sensory details.
Use of sensory detail. Yes.
Emotional appeal.
Emotional. Yes. Good job. Okay. So you can you understand about structure, types, features, and purpose of recount text?
Yes.
Okay. What element of structure of recount text? Yes, Nini. Orientation, even, and reorientation. Okay, this is for you. Thank you. Wait. What is the type of? Jangan lihat ya. Ulang. 1, 2, 3. Yes,
There's 4 types. Personal recount, factual recount, historical recount, and literacy and recount.
Yes. What again? What is recount text? Yes.
Group of paragraph which is used to retell events or experiences in the past.
Okay. This is for you. Okay. I think you all understand about recount text.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, Miss wants you to choose one by one from this paper. Who first?
Me.
Okay. Please open the paper. Okay. From the paper, have a topic, right? Yes. Miss wants you to make a recount text story from that the topic is berdasarkan dari pengalaman kalian sendiri. Ya, Miss kasih waktu kalian mungkin berapa menit maunya?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Oke, Miss kasih kalian 10 menit buat bikin cerita. Oh iya, di dalam cerita itu pastiin ada strukturnya ya.
Oke.
Udah pada ngerti kan strukturnya apa aja?
Yes, Miss.
nggak bisa ngomong lagi.
Ya.
Di konteksnya. Okay. Now, Miss wants you to choose your turn. Ini nomor urut 2, ambil. Okay. Who the first? Who? Lagi. Second? Who the second?
Me.
You. The third? Fourth? And the last? Okay. Now, Miss want the Juliani to present first. Ayo stand up, Juliani. Okay, next, Nabila.
Okay, I want to share my scare experience. Okay, it's about a strange noise at midnight. Okay, listen. Last weekend, I stayed alone at my cousin's house while she was out of town. It was a quiet place, and everything seems normal during the day. At midnight, I hear a strange noise coming from the kitchen. It sounded like someone who was opening the drawers. I gathered my courage and went to check, but no one was there. The light suddenly flickered, and I felt a cold breeze even though all the windows were closed. I rushed back to the bedroom and locked the door. The next morning, I found everything in the kitchen untouched. I still don't know what caused the noise, but it was a scary experience I'll never forget.
And guys, it is ghost or what? Or maybe? Yeah.
We don't know next time.
We never know.
We never know.
Okay, next, Titi.
Okay, I will tell about recent facts about that. When the month of Ramadan and the time is at night after doing Tarawih prayers, my younger brother and I, when we were on our way home, so we passed at a small road, but it was dark on the small road, and I fell and my leg was injured. And then my younger brother helped me to stand up and get home. I told the incident to my mother, and then I treated the wound on my leg.
Okay, last but not least is Aki.
Okay. Last month, me and my friend presentation in the class. When we were presenting in the class, we showed the wrong slide in the class, so our friends laughed at us. At the time, my friend and me felt embarrassed, and from there we learned from our mistake because we were not careful enough.
Okay, guys. From that story, I think you have understand about the context, right?
Yes.
Yes. Next week we learn